How to apply discount code on British Airways. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you're gonna find the search box. Type in britishairways.com and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, at the top right you'll see the option of login. Click on that, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll land to this kind of interface. Now go ahead and book a flight. Provide the flight details. Select whether you want return or the multi-city or the one-way ticket. Likewise, select the departure date. Then select the origin and destination place. Also select the cabin class and the passenger number. After you provide all the details, you can search for the flight. With that, different available flight options will appear. Click on the flight that you want to book. Then go through all the process for the booking. And while you are in the checkout page, you will find the section of codes. You have to click on that, then type in your code and confirm your flight. With that, your code will be redeemed and you'll get discount in your flight. By applying the same process, you can easily use promo codes on other flights as well. So this way you can easily apply discount code at British Airways. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.